Hello and welcome to today's new video. Today's video is all about Rikachick.com. Rikachick is a fast fashion brand and let's see, is it legit or not? So this is the homepage of Rikachick and they are giving free shipping above order $80, worldwide shipping. Let's check this. This is Rikachick's collections. Bottoms, sandals, dresses, mini dresses. Okay, I have some there. We can see about. Okay, let's find out about Rikachick page. Okay, they have some sort of this thing which is not getting clear. Okay, so Rikachick, they are selling popular women's and men's clothing, shoes and bags and accessories. And you can email them at support@rikachick.com. There are the links. Let's check about Rikachick's shipping policy. This is their shipping policy and they are shipping within 1 to 5 business days. Their shipping time is 7 to 20 business days and these are the methods they are using for shipping. Standard shipping region is United States, Canada, Australia and United Kingdom, and standard shipping for the rest of the world 7 to 20 business days. This is the range of order amount and shipping fee. These are the note for taxes. These are the customer services. Know about us. Let's check their contact us page. They have only given the email ID to contact them in case of any need. So let's check their privacy policy. Hey, what is this? What is it with this Rikachick page? Why is it buy 3 and get extra 8% off? The coupon number is 8 off. These are the notifications they have given, and this is a privacy policy which has divided into sections. So what do we do with your information? The section 1 comes under here where they have described all their things. Section 2 comes under consent page. Section 3 comes under disclosure. Section 4 Shopify. Their store is hosted on Shopify. This is the payment section. It's all PCI security. Third-party services, links and security, SSL cookies, age of consent and everything. So let's see their terms of service. This is the overview of Rikachick and these are the terms and services of Rikachick. Online store terms, general conditions, accuracy, completeness and timeliness of information, modifications to the service and prices, products or services if applicable, accuracy of billing and accounts information and many more. Okay, it's a long page, quite long. Let's check about. They are dealing in PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover and Diners Club International too. So you can always subscribe them for any more news. And let's check their FAQs. Frequently asked questions. So these are the frequently asked questions. When will my order ship? 1 to 5 working days or 6 to 10 working days? It depends. This we have been here, the return request, tax policy, return, they accept PayPal. So basically RicaCheck is legit, as I could find the privacy policy page, terms and conditions, and reviews, sitemaps, copyright, contact info. So this is an US based site, and I guess this is legit, and you can continue shopping from here. In case you disagree, kindly comment, and if you agree, please share your experience in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a happy shopping.